Hi, everybody. I'm Joe Zipfel, Regional EdTech Coordinator with the LTC, here with a tech tip today on how you can improve your communications with home by sharing your Google Classroom calendar with parents. I would imagine that some of the most common and frequent email that you get as a teacher are from parents seeking clarifying information like due dates. One simple and easy way that you can cut down on those kinds of emails while providing great information to home is by sharing your Google Classroom calendar with parents. So here we are in Google Classroom. So if you are a frequent Google Classroom user, you know that every time that you create a class in Google Classroom, it creates a corresponding calendar in your calendar app. So let me just demonstrate with my demo class. So if I click into my demonstration class here, you can see that this is my normal Google Classroom. And when I created this class, it created a Google Calendar that goes right along with it. So as you are creating assignments in Google Classroom, those due dates and information are synced automatically with that calendar. So let me click over to Google Calendar. Now here we are in Google Calendar. And if I go down on the sidebar on the left to my calendar list, you will see right where my cursor is, there is my demo class along with any other Google class that you've created. If you want to share this calendar with parents so that they can subscribe to your calendar, all you need to do is click on the three dots, the snowman as we call it, next to the demo class in the sidebar. So right there, I'm just going to click and go to settings and sharing. When I choose settings and sharing, I scroll down to the access permissions. So, in order to be able to share this with parents, you first need to check mark make available to public. You're not really making it available to the entire public, but you're making your calendar available to those who subscribe to it. So you're going to check mark make available to public, and you're going to click OK. And then just simply click on Get Shareable Link. When you click on Get Shareable Link, that will give you a web link that you can then share with parents so that they can subscribe to your calendar. All you do now is just include this link to an email to parents or in your classroom newsletter or on your classroom website. And when they click on the link, they can subscribe to your calendar. So it just appears as another calendar on their calendar list if they are a Google user. And if they are not a Google user, they just get a web-based interface showing your calendar. So on their list will be your calendar. And so as you're making assignments in Google Classroom, they are syncing to your calendar, and anyone who is subscribed to your calendar can see those assignments as well. They can view your calendar, but they can't make any changes or edit your calendar. It's not just Google Classroom calendars that you can share. You can share any calendar and you can actually create new calendars and share those. So if you want to create a custom calendar between you and your grade level team or you and your subject area team, if you in the sidebar on the left just simply click on the plus sign and add a calendar, you can create a custom calendar and then you can go to the settings and sharing of that calendar, create a shareable link, and push that out to your colleagues as well. So it's not just Google Classroom calendars that you can share. You can create and share any calendars in the Google Calendar app. Hopefully, this is a quick tip that you can implement relatively easily to save yourself a boatload of future email. Well, that's about it, everybody. Remember, for all of your EdTech needs, please check out the LTC website and look out for future videos. Thanks so much.